Normally on WhatsApp, we used to send messages, but if you want to make an audio call through WhatsApp, you can do that too. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make an audio call through WhatsApp. For this, first you need to open the WhatsApp application. After opening it, select the contact you want to make the audio call to. For example, I'm selecting this contact. If you can't see that contact, you can use the search option here. Just click here and search for that contact. For example, I'm searching and selecting this contact.
After selecting that contact, you can see the audio call option at the top. Here you have two options. One is video call and the other is audio call. So click on the audio call button. When you click on it, the call will get connected. Now they've attended the call, and after that, you can talk to them. And in between, if you want to switch to a video call, you can do that too. For that, you don't need to disconnect this call and make a new video call. You can just click on this video button, and here you'll see the switch option. Click on switch. When you click on that, the call will be converted to a video call. Again, if you want to go back to an audio call, just click here again. And it will be converted back to an audio call. Now, if you want to switch to loudspeaker, you can click on this button. When you click on it, it will switch to loudspeaker. Click it again, and the sound will come from the earpiece. Anyways, if you want to mute, you can see a button like this here. Click on it, and the call will be muted. That means others cannot hear what you're saying. And here you can see three dots. Click on this, and you'll see some options. There's a raise hand option here. This is useful in case of a group audio call. In a group audio call, if you want to say something, you can click on this raise hand, and then you can speak. There's also a screen sharing option, but for that, first you need to convert this to a video call. Only then you can share your screen. Anyways, if you want to share your screen, click on Share Screen, and here you'll see the Accept option. Click on that, and after that, again, click on the three dots and select Share Screen. Then you'll see the Start Now option. Click on that, and the screen sharing will start. Now, on my second phone, you can see everything that's happening on this, my first phone. Anyways, to stop screen sharing, you just need to click on Stop Sharing. When you click on that, the screen sharing will be turned off. And here, there's one more option, Send Message. If you want to send a message in between, you can click on this, and you'll see the option to send a message. And here, if you want to add more people to this audio call, click on this button, and you can add whichever person you want. Now, to end this call, what you need to do is click on this red button here. When you click on that, the call will be disconnected. So this is how you can easily make an audio call through WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.